So today's video is another haul from Nykaa. I haven't shopped from Nykaa from a long time, but this time I bought quite a few stuff from Nykaa and I would like to share with you what and all I have got. If you want to see what and all got in this haul, then please keep on watching. Before heading to the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So now let's jump into the video. So these are all the stuff which I have bought from Nykaa. I have put in this tray because nowadays I am a lot into online shopping, and if you have seen my previous shopping hauls also, it might be continuously coming one after the another, because in this lockdown I bought lots of stuff. After the lockdown I bought lots of stuff and I had tried some of them, so I wanted to try some of them, so I bought lots of stuff. Nonetheless, now let's start with the haul. So the first thing is this L'Oreal Rejuvenate Crystal. I have bought the small one because I didn't know it will work for me or not. I wanted to test it and I bought the small one, but trust me guys, I loved it and it changed my skincare routine and it left my skin very smooth, clean. It lessed my pores. I had lots of pores issue here, and so it reduced lots of pores. I do use as a serum, even as a primer, and sometimes I use it as a moisturizer also. I just wash my face with a good face wash and I use this, and that's all I call off for the day. That's it. And if I am in the morning time, I use a sunscreen. If I am using it at night time, then only this. That's it, not more than that. Sometimes I do have lazy days, that time this works for me a lot. The next purchase is this Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. This product was going gaga on internet. I have seen each and every influencer using this, be it on Instagram, on YouTube. Then I wanted this in my life and I wanted to use this. I wanted the smaller version of this, but I didn't get it, so I bought this one and I'm very much happy. You need very much little amount of this and it is good to go. Nowadays my skincare is changed and I will be soon updating my skincare also here. So yes, this is the one of the product from the skincare. Talking about the skincare, now I'm lots of into the facials. I don't go to parlor. I do all the facial stuff at home. So I bought this 2 facial kits from Pond's. It is newly launched, I guess. I haven't seen Pond's launched any facial kits before, so I bought the variants. I wanted to try this. I didn't try it yet, but I wanted to try this and I'll be pretty soon reviewing either on Instagram or on my YouTube channel, so yes, keep a watch on that. Then the next skincare product is the Mom's Co Natural Stretch Mark Oil with the hibiscus and jojoba oil. This is the purchase I have bought. I didn't use it. I wanted to use it. Before, for my stretch marks, I used to use bio oil. It used to give me good result, but due to using less amount of that, it got expired and I was not wanted to use. I don't know whether the stretch marks will get reduced or not. Maybe it is my satisfaction, I can say. So I bought this Mom's Co one because Mom's Co product had worked wonders for me. If you have seen my lockdown, the 3 products which I've used religiously during the lockdown, that video, you know that I have been already using their serum and shampoo and conditioner. I loved them, so I wanted to try something new from their product. So I bought this stretch marks oil. I need to check it whether it is working or not, and yes, for the updates please check my Instagram. So the next product is this Hair Vanish hair replicant applier for women's. This one I have used it before from my sister. I loved it and I've used it and I'm going to give a total review on this. I didn't see much reviews about this on anywhere, and if it is there also, I didn't notice. I will try to do a dedicated video on this, so yes, keep on watching that. The second last product in this haul is this foundation from Maybelline Super Stay 24 Hours Full Coverage Foundation. So yes, this is the foundation which I have bought. Before I used to use Maybelline Fit Me. Now I want to try something new, so I bought a Maybelline Super Stay because I heard a good reviews about this, and right now it's there on my skin also. The base foundation which I've used is only this, not the concealer. I used only this, and it gives pretty much coverage to me. If you're wondering what is my shade, then it is 310 Sun Beige. So yes, this is the shade of mine. So next and the last product in this haul is the Maybelline mascara. Without Maybelline mascara, the haul is incomplete. So yes, I bought this Total Temptation with one of my friends' recommendation, and she told me very good about that. I wanted the waterproof variant one, but it was out of stock, so I bought the washable one. But nonetheless, washable one also is working wonderful for me. The one which I have used right now is the mascara, is this one. And if you've seen my previous video also, the Diwali makeup tutorial, in that also I'm using right now, I'm using this one mascara, and I've sorted. And yes, pretty soon I'm also thinking to buy L'Oreal Lash Paradise also, and that also I will be showing you in another hauls, coming hauls, hopefully. So yeah, that's all for today's video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And yes, leave some comments in the section below so that I know how, if you're liking my video or not, and if you want any suggestions, and if you want to give any suggestions to me, or feel free to give me suggestions. And yes, I will be super soon catching with a new video. Until then, bye bye.